Hello everyone, today's date is 9th of June 2022 and today we are going to discuss about the topic called subquery in SQL. So let's start. Subquery basically a query which is written inside a main query. So it is basically a subquery or a nested query. Whenever you write particular query on the SQL from some databases and you require to get some another output or another data from that particular database, a subquery is used there. So generally a subquery is mostly probably used with the select statement in the main query. So let's discuss. There are some rules to use subquery in particular database. So a subquery can be used with insert statement, it can be used with update, it can be used with delete statement also. A subquery must be covered by the parenthesis. Now let's see it through one example. Let's say you have a database of employees working in a particular company and you need to get the employee details or employee names and his salary according to some conditions. Now in the employee database there are number of departments available, number of tables available. So let's say you want to get the details of employee on the basis of departments, and department has another table. So that will use there we can use a subquery. Let's say select first name or last name and salary of employee from employee table, where the employee is work in a particular department. Then for department we must use select statement there. Select department from the department table where a department ID is equal to something. So this means a subquery is used to get the data internally or get the internal data which is not available in your main table or main query. So this is what the subquery is. Now there are number of rules, like we cannot use a group order by statement in the subquery, because order by usually give the output in the particular order which can be in ascending or descending order, but we cannot need data or output from subquery. It is just a condition which gives the particular data to the main query. So order by is not used there. For that reason we use group by statement inside the subquery. Now let's say what are the different types of statements we are used inside the subquery. The first one is insert. If you are wanting to use or wanting to insert particular column inside your data which is available in another table, then inside a subquery we use insert statement, like select particular name from the employees table, where select employees which are or where employees employee ID equal to something. So this will give us an updated data of employee. Now we can also use delete statement, which is used to delete particular data which is available in another table, and with the use of where condition or having condition we can delete that particular data. Using subqueries we can get or we can have simplicity in our queries. Subquery can have different types or different ways of writing, but it must be in the particular parenthesis, and it must be after the main query. We cannot write it outside it. So this is what about the subquery in SQL. So thank you so much.